What if I told you that everything you want, every dream, every ambition, every version of success you've imagined, can be yours? Not because of luck, talent, or some secret formula, but because of your ability to control time, discipline, and energy. Most people don't fail because they lack potential. They fail because they never truly commit. They never set a goal so big that it forces them to evolve into the person who can achieve it. So today, I'm going to take you through a system that guarantees success. A system built on time perception, productivity, emotional intelligence, wisdom, energy, social capital, and psychology. If you master these, nothing can stop you. Welcome to your blueprint for greatness. Let's begin. Mastering time. The true currency of success. Time is the great equalizer. Rich or poor, genius or average, we all get 24 hours a day. The difference between success and failure isn't time itself, but how you use it. Here's the secret. Shift your perception of time. Productivity. Working smart. Working hard. Hard work alone isn't enough. You must be strategically productive, doing the right things in the right way. The 80-20 rule. 80% of your results come from 20% of your actions. Identify the 20% that matters. The 2-minute rule. If something takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately instead of procrastinating. Single tasking beats multitasking. Your brain works best when deeply focused. Eliminate distractions. Remember, your future is built in the quiet hours of consistent effort. Emotional intelligence. Controlling your mind. Emotional intelligence, EQ, is more important than IQ. The ability to manage emotions, stay motivated, and navigate relationships determines success. Self-awareness. Learn your emotional triggers. What distracts you? What demotivates you? Recognize these patterns and take control. The power of emotional anchoring. If you associate studying with stress, reframe it. Play music, reward yourself, or visualize success. Detach from negativity. When you feel anger, frustration, or self-doubt, ask yourself, will this emotion serve me or sabotage me? Choose wisely. Mastering your emotions means mastering your future. Wisdom. Thinking. Long-term. Short-term pleasure is the enemy of long-term success. Great achievers think decades ahead. Read every day. One book can change your perspective and unlock new paths. Surround yourself with smarter people. The fastest way to grow is to be the least knowledgeable person in the room. Ask yourself better questions. Instead of saying, I can't do this, ask, how can I make this possible? Your brain will find the answers. Wisdom isn't about knowing everything. It's about knowing what truly matters. Energy. The fuel of high achievers. Without energy, even the best plans fail. Your physical and mental state determine how well you perform. Sleep is a superpower. 6 hours of tired work is worse than 3 hours of focused, well-rested work. Fuel your body. Junk food drains you. Water, movement, and real nutrition give you an edge over those who neglect their health. Your environment shapes your energy. If you're surrounded by negativity, drama, and distractions, you'll feel drained. Protect your space. Energy isn't just about feeling awake. It's about sustaining the drive to chase your goals. Psychology. Becoming unstoppable. Your mind is either your greatest weapon or your biggest enemy. Train it to work for you. The growth mindset. Failure isn't the opposite of success. It's a step toward it. Discipline greater than motivation. Motivation fades. Discipline keeps you moving forward even when you don't feel like it. Visualize your success daily. If you can't see it in your mind, you'll never hold it in your hands. Success starts in the mind before it ever shows up in reality. Social capital. Success is a team sport. No one succeeds alone. Your network, mentors, and relationships define your trajectory. Be valuable first. If you want mentors or connections, offer something before you ask for help. Choose your circle wisely. The people around you either push you forward or hold you back. Be likable, not just smart. Success isn't just about knowledge, it's about how well you connect with others. The right relationships open doors no amount of talent can. The final challenge: commit to your greatness. So now you know the blueprint. But knowledge without action is worthless. Will you use it? Will you take control of your time, focus, and energy? If you're serious about achieving something great, set a goal right now. Write it down. Commit to it. Because here's the truth. You can achieve anything. The only question is, will you? Your future self is waiting. Don't let them down. If this video helped you, share it with someone who needs to hear it. Subscribe for more insights on mastering your mind, time, and success. Now go, build your legacy. Stop scrolling now.